After the drawing has been finished, we need to place it on a title block. You've already created one. It's in paper space. Click on this tab. Model or paper space will determine what view you're in. Right now we're in floating model space. Now we're in paper space. You want to get rid of this grid, so we enter model space and remove the grid setting so we can see our drawing. We want to scale the drawing to the correct size, and we also want to center it. To center the drawing, type in zoom extends, which is Z for zoom and E for extends, and the drawing is centered. It's not at the correct scale yet. First try full size. Type in Z for zoom and a scale factor. If you read the command line right now, is asking for a number with XP afterwards. In our case, 1 XP, we'll type that in. That means scale it 1 times to the paper space. In other words, full size. Hit enter, and it got larger. It does not fit. The next scale is 3/4 of an inch. Type in Z for zoom, type in 3/4 XP, enter. The drawing does fit. So we found our scale. 3/4 of an inch equals 1. Try not to use the zoom or pan button on your mouse. So come down here and click on paper to leave floating model space, now in paper space. Update your plot scale, type in your title of the drawing, update the date, the class you're in, your school, and your name.